Introducing the ultimate tool for CNC monitoring solution. Smart Supervisor acquires data via Ethernet. Starts serving in 60 minutes. Additional licenses not required. Increases productivity. Improve transparency. Unleash the potential of your hidden losses. Monitor your machine from anywhere. Monitor downtime. Increase OEE. Know it all. Real-time alerts. Helps reduce downtime. Get informed on alarms, breakdowns, change in cycle time. When machine is running at overfeed rates. Why Autobits works on Wi-Fi and 5G. Server not required. Integrates with tablet and QR reader. Core features onboard data storage, zero data loss, machine locking, digital gauge integration, program transfer. Analytics we provide, customizable reports, daily, weekly, monthly reports, availability, performance, quality, OEE, target V's actual production, part-wide, machine abuse. Analytics we provide, customizable dashboards, helps reduce downtime, improve operator efficiency, monitor live OEE. New feature, tool life monitoring, measure tool life, reduce tool cost, record tool breakage, improve tool efficiency. What makes Autobits so special? 7 months guaranteed return on investment, excellent after-sales support, lifetime warranty on hardware, customization, personalization, domain experience. Make the right choice today. Upgrade your factory with Autobits. Elevate not just productivity, but also your workforce.